Saan?
So, hi everyone. We are here at Lola Bal's place. That's Lola Bal there.
Hello, hello.
And it's Lola Baby's birthday. See that? See? And
Hello, yung mga...
anong kinakain mo dyan?
Ay, ito, mangga.
Mangga.
Oh, kakain kayo, mangga. Halina kayo.
Kumain ka kanina nitong jackfruit. Wala
Ay, yung
ditong,
ikuan.
wala ditong nangka pero dinalang ko silang nangka. Ito ang birthday cake ko kay Lola Baby.
Hindi matubo
Mahilig
dito
siya
nangka.
sa plant eh. Aray.
Kaya walang nangka. Pero itong mangga,
So, ito naman, cherries.
marami itong mangga dito sa Mexico.
And
Yung sa
I'm
Pilipinas ay galing dito
having my raw salad with pesto sauce. Okay. Lola, what is your message for Azucen's birthday?
Sino yan?
For Azucen.
Sinong kan?
A message for Azucen's birthday.
Hindi nino?
Ni Azucen!
Ah!
It's the 13th of May.
Happy birthday, mami. I knew you are very young yet. You are only 70.
Mother, come here!
And I wish you another 100. That makes you 170. How about that? You agree? That's quite a greeting.
Kamusta ka
Good
muna sa...
Yeah, how about that?
Okay.
Very beautiful si Lola mo dito, nakapula. Kakausapin kayo ni Lola ninyo. Aba.
Kiss muna dyan. Happy birthday muna dyan.
Nag-make
Para makita sa Philippines.
up si Lola.
Para muna mag-kiss muna na happy birthday.
Sino?
Ay, ikaw.
Ay, happy birthday si Lola.
Ayan.
Ako bukas.
Bukas, oo.
Bukas.
Ikaw naman ang kikiss niya bukas. Kasi hindi ko pa nakita ang kiss niya eh.
Wala.
Yan. Ulit.
Wala ka na
Yeah! Sarap nun na.
Siyempre. Pag wala si Lola at wala ako, hindi wala kayo.
Ay, anong ulit yung message mo kay Lola?
I wish you another 100 years.
Thank you.
Forever na. Forever, ever.
Forever and ever.
Oh,
Okay.
That is my wish.
Aha. So, hindi ko makain ng cake sila kasi ng healthy food. Kaya healthy.
Kakain.
May cake din eh.
Ha?
May cake din.
Pero pa yun ng kay Butchoy eh.
Ay, si Butchoy.
May na ngayon.
Totoo, kamusta kayo? Hindi wala akong balita sa iyo, Boss.
May relationship na siya.
Hey, George. Wala akong balita sa iyo. Kamusta ka? And what is their personal message for me that surrounds you?
Around you.
What is your personal message? Gaya ni Sen, gaya ni Aston, nagkaanak na sila. Oh. Ikaw ba may girlfriend na? At kung mayroon, padalan mo ako ng litrato.
Aroy.
Yung enlarge,
Asos.
para makita ang itsura.
Kakanta muna tayo kay Mami happy birthday. Okay,
Happy
1, 2, ready, go.
Day to you. Happy birthday
See you.
to you.
To you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
So,
Okay, so let's sing the next.
Ano na
Happy
ba?
birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Kinain mo ng kinain.
Ulit, nakatatlo si Lola ngayon. Okay, so my message
sa akin bukas.
for Lola's birthday is that I want to ask her, so what is the purpose of your life on earth? You have been here for 70 years.
I'm 70 now.
70?
And my purpose is all of you to be happy now, not tomorrow.
But for
Every
you,
day. For
what
me,
will
I'm
you-
happy
what-
every day.
what will you do on earth?
Oh, to help everyone.
Okay, good. That's her purpose in life. So, everyone, we're enjoying Lola's birthday here. And
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
miss ni Lola! Gusto ulit ko miss niya. Gusto ulit ko miss. Okay, kiss ulit, kiss ulit. Happy birthday to you ulit eh. Ay, ito ni Pegel ni Lola. Oh, tingnan mo yung kamay, oh. Ayaw na.
Ay, kung ganda ni Lola pa niya nakapula, oo.
Ay, pula lang
kita mo yan?
naman. Ano
Oh,
ba?
siyempre, magaganda ang apo.
Pag natingin ako kay Lola mo, naitim yung buko ah. Nadami.
Okay, guys.
Nadami pa
See you tomorrow, Lola's birthday.